Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're taking a look at the Marc Jacobs Jacquard large tote bag. This is that infamous tote bag that you see all around that says the tote bag with Marc Jacobs logo underneath. Now, I am not personally a big fan of this bag. However, I do know that it is trendy, so decided to take a look nonetheless. Overall, the material is very well made. It is very sturdy, but it's not like too stiff. Inside you do have a little bit of organization. You have a zipper pocket along with 2 additional organizational pockets. So the inside organization is nice. The rest of it is just a main tote bag. And again, you can see that there is this really sturdy material. So it's not going to be a flimsy bag. It does come with a dust bag. And it does come in multiple colors. The colors currently depend on the size of the bag that are available, but there are also just a lot of different colorways, a lot of different designs. This one is the large, it's $350. In the exact colorway, you have a medium that comes in at $325, a small that comes in at $295, and a mini, which is kind of taller, more narrow at $195. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure